Hey there, let's dive into a topic that's close to many of our hearts: understanding the difference between having a crush and truly falling in love. Both experiences can be intense and exhilarating, but they have distinct characteristics that set them apart. Here's a breakdown to help you navigate these feelings. 1. Intensity versus depth. A crush often hits you like a lightning bolt, sudden, intense, and overwhelming. You might find yourself thinking about the person constantly, feeling your heart race when they're around, and experiencing a surge of excitement at the mere sight of them. Imagine seeing someone at a party and suddenly they're all you can think about. Your stomach flutters and you feel giddy whenever you catch a glimpse of them. Love, on the other hand, grows steadily and deeply over time. It's like a slow burning fire that warms you consistently. It's not just about the highs, but also about the steady presence and connection you share. You've been with someone for a while, and while you might not feel that intense rush every second, you feel a profound sense of comfort, trust, and affection whenever you are together. Idealization versus realism. When you have a crush, it's easy to put the person on a pedestal. You might see them as flawless, ignoring or downplaying their faults. For example, you admire someone from afar and imagine they're perfect in every way, glossing over any negative traits or behaviors. Love allows you to see the person as they truly are, flaws and all. You accept and appreciate them for who they are, not just the idealized version you first saw. For example, you know your partner's quirks and imperfections, yet you still cherish and accept them fully, appreciating their authentic self. 3. Surface level attraction versus deep connection. A crush often focuses on surface level qualities, such as physical appearance, charm, or charisma. You might be attracted to someone because of their good looks, their smile, or how they carry themselves in social situations. Love delves deeper, focusing on the person's inner qualities, values, and character. It's about a genuine connection that goes beyond physical attraction. For example, you love your partner for their kindness, sense of humor, and the way they make you feel understood and valued. 4. Short-term versus long-term vision. Crushes are often fleeting and short-lived. They can fizzle out as quickly as they started once the novelty wears off or you get to know the person better. You might have a crush on a coworker, but after a few weeks you realize you don't actually have much in common. Love has a long-term perspective. It involves planning a future together and working through challenges and growth over time. You and your partner discuss your dreams and aspirations, making plans to support each other in achieving them. 5. Fantasy versus reality. A crush can often be based on fantasy. You imagine scenarios and ideal outcomes without necessarily engaging with the person in a meaningful way. You daydream about going on dates with someone you barely know, creating an imaginary relationship in your head. Love is grounded in reality. It involves building a life together, facing everyday challenges, and supporting each other through thick and thin. For example, you and your partner navigate real life situations together, from managing finances to dealing with family matters, all while maintaining your bond. 6. Self-centered versus other-centered. Crushes can be quite self-centered, focusing on how the other person makes you feel. It's often about your own excitement and emotions. You enjoy the thrill of having a crush and the attention you receive from the person, without much thought about their feelings or experiences. Love is more other-centered. It involves caring deeply about the other person's well-being and happiness, often putting their needs alongside or even before your own. You go out of your way to support your partner during tough times, prioritizing their needs and showing empathy and understanding. 7. Insecurity versus security. Crushes can make you feel insecure and anxious. You might constantly worry about how you are perceived and whether your feelings are reciprocated. You feel nervous and unsure every time you see the person you have a crush on, overthinking every interaction. Love provides a sense of security and stability. You feel confident in your relationship and trust in the bond you share. You and your partner have open communication and trust, knowing that you can rely on each other without constant fear or doubt. Understanding these differences can help you navigate your feelings with clarity and empathy. Whether you're experiencing the rush of a new crush or the deep connection of true love, each has its own beauty and significance. Embrace the journey and remember that every relationship, whether fleeting or lasting, teaches us something valuable about ourselves and others. Thanks for watching. So, did you experience any of these in your life? Let us know in the comment section. We would love to hear your story, or maybe stories. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more psychology related videos like this. See you next time. Thank you.